When you're trying to figure out what you're doing in life and like what you want to be or stuff when you haven't figured that out yet, sometimes you should just completely not care or like not care because so it can look like another person next to you like your friends has already figured everything out, but most of the time it's just the opposite. So plan your life slowly, one step at a time. If you rush things, you can easily mess up. But sometimes there's a time where you're gonna obviously feel lost, but that's obviously normal and a part of the process. So remember, feeling lost is completely normal and you have to still keep going. Don't check what other people are doing. You can check, but don't compare yourself with other people. Stay blessed.